We are here with you today to talk about our ongoing effort to protect the Illinois Fire Service and their families from COVID-19.
The challenges that COVID-19 has presented to the fire service in Illinois and nationally have been many. The biggest question faced by all of us has been, how can we do our essential mission while remaining safe and effective? How do we keep ourselves, other first responders, our communities, and our families safe while we operate in an inherently dangerous environment complicated by this pandemic?
Since March 18th, we have been tracking the number of quarantined firefighters, the number of firefighters testing positive for COVID-19, and the number of departments affected.
The first record showed there were 38 firefighters quarantined from 14 departments and 0 confirmed COVID-19 cases. The number quickly increased and reached highs of 176 quarantined firefighters on April 13th. And up to today, 137 departments have been affected, 379 confirmed COVID-19 cases, and 3 firefighters who passed away due to COVID-19 related illnesses.
The number of quarantined firefighters began to drop at that point and reached a low of 18 on July 3rd. The gradual decline was due in no small part to the efforts of the fire service to utilize PPE and follow recommendations and guidance from IDPH and the CDC. Another factor that led to the decline was the restrictions put in place by Governor Pritzker's Restore Illinois plan.
But in just 14 days after the 4th of July weekend, we went from 18 quarantined firefighters to 86, which is a similar increase to what we were seeing in March. Luckily, in the last few days, the numbers are starting to drop again. The fire service has been consistent in following recommendations and guidelines at work. As we progress through the stages of the Restore Illinois program, we want to encourage you to pay equal attention to protecting yourselves at home and while traveling, even as the restrictions are easing.
We also want you to continue reporting all your quarantined firefighters and any COVID-19 positive cases in your department. Being able to track numbers and locations helps us identify trends and hotspots areas where there may be coverage issues or a need to increase testing. This is especially important for our volunteer fire departments who may already be experiencing shortages of firefighters and have greater distances between fire stations. We are here today to ask you to be your brother and sister's keeper.
Be vigilant about protecting yourselves and your families from exposure to COVID-19 on and off the job.
Maintain social distancing in public, and when you can't, wear a mask. Wash your hands or use hand sanitizer.
Disinfect frequently touched surfaces.
We understand that our line of work draws people that are inherent risk takers. But if we fail to take care of ourselves, we cannot take care of anyone else.
This fight is long and difficult. We must not become complacent. We must not forget our responsibilities to our families, our communities, and our fellow firefighters. Remember, one team, one fight only works if you stay in the fight.